Ni hao, welcome to my channel. If you want to learn Chinese and you don't know where to begin, this video is perfect for you because today's video is a really basic of Chinese, which is Pinyin. Pinyin is a tool to help you to read Chinese, and when you start to learn Chinese and you want to type Chinese, Pinyin is also the basic that you have to know before. But normally Chinese Pinyin won't appear on the Chinese book except the book for education like kindergarten, grade 1, some grade 2 books, or some books for foreigner. Before I get into the lesson, I want to show you how the pinyin look like. This is how pinyin look like. Normally consists of 3 parts, which is consonant, vowels, and tones. The little line on the A is a tone size. So next step is I will teach you how to pronounce the consonant and vowel in Chinese. If you're ready, let's go. We start from the consonant. Ba, ba, pa, pa, ma, ma, fa, fa, da, da, ta, ta, na, na, la, la, ge, ge, ke, ke, he, he, ji, ji, qi, qi, xi, xi, zhi, zhi, chi, chi, shi, shi, ri, ri, zi, zi, ci, ci, si, si, yi, yi, wu, wu. Next is about the vowel. A, o, i, u, yu, I, a, wei, ao, o, yo, ye, yue, er, an, en, yin, wen, yun, ang, eng, yang, ong. That is all for today's lesson. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe me and follow for next video. See you next time.